Hello guys and welcome back. In this quick video, I'm going to walk you through the Strava app and show you all the main features step by step. If you find this useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Strava app and log into your account. You can sign in using Google or Facebook. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page. The very first option lets you upload your first activity. You can pick from running, hiking, swimming, and more. For example, I'll choose running. To start, just hit the record button, and once you're done, tap pause, then finish. Next, you can follow people. As you scroll, you'll see athletes sharing their activities, pictures, and detailed diagrams of their runs or workouts. If you like their content, just tap the follow button to stay updated. You can also invite friends directly, especially if you're connected through Facebook. From the top menu, you can even join clubs. Strava has tons of clubs you can browse through, and if you find one you like, just click join and you'll be part of their activities. Moving on, Strava also lets you connect devices like smartwatches to track your workouts more easily. Just hit connect and pair your device. Now let's check out the map section. Here, you can select your activity, like running, and Strava will show you routes available in your city. As you can see, there are many routes. You can change the map type too, and if you upgrade to the paid version, you'll unlock even more options. If you want to record a new activity, just tap the record button in the middle, choose your activity, and start. When you're finished, just pause and hit finish to save it. Next up is the group section. Here, you can join groups based on specific activities. At the top, select the activity you're interested in, and Strava will show you groups related to it. Scroll down, and you'll also find clubs in your city that you can join with just one click. Finally, let's check out the progress section. This is where you'll find a diagram of your workouts, a calendar showing your training days, and additional tools if you're on the paid version. You can also search for past activities, and everything is stored in one place. By tapping your profile picture at the top, you can view your profile, followers, weekly progress, activities, and more. And that's it. Now you know how to upload activities, follow people, join groups and clubs, discover new routes, and track your fitness with Strava. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.